Hello, good morning students. Now in my previous lecture, I started the topic relation and function. Repeating that once again. Now, first I gave the idea of ordered pair. Idea of ordered pair. I think you remember. I am writing again ordered pair A comma B and A belongs to A, B belongs to B. Pair of elements of two non-empty sets A and B, where A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. Second thing I told, I think you remember, this is ordered pair. Now I had given the idea Cartesian plane, Cartesian product means A cross B. What is Cartesian product? Set of all ordered pairs of elements of two sets A and B. We can write like this: A comma B, where A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Set of all ordered pairs. Now I gave the idea of domain and range. Domain, collection of all first elements. Collection of all first elements of ordered pair is called domain. Collection of all second elements of the ordered pairs is called range, and the second set itself is called codomain. Now I am coming to the one more point. Two ordered pairs, when compared, two ordered pairs are said to be equal if their corresponding elements are equal. Like I am writing, suppose A and B an ordered pair. This side we have 3 and 2. I have written equal sign between them. This A and B is an ordered pair. This 3 and 2 is an ordered pair. These two ordered pairs are equal if and only if their corresponding elements are equal. Means first element equal to first element, second element equal to second element, means A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 2. In that case we can have only the ordered pairs are equal. Now I am coming the next thing, relation. What is relation? This is the basic name of the topic, relation. Up to this stage we were knowing the basic concept about the ordered pair and Cartesian product. Now we are coming to know the relation. You know that every relation is given some name. Without name, relation is not considered. Like two persons are standing outside on the road or at the gate. How would you know what is the relation between them? Unless some name of the relation is given. Like suppose two persons are standing and you don't know who are they. But suppose one of them is saying brother to other one or uncle to other one. So easily you will identify that one of them is uncle and other is his nephew. Suppose two persons are standing, two girls are standing outside. How would you know that they are friend or they are sisters or they are, means suppose one is saying Didi, sister to one of them, means easily you will find out that they are having sisterhood. तो relation must have some name. तो relation, what is relation? Relation is, try to understand, mathematical definition. Relation is subset of Cartesian product. Relation is subset of Cartesian product. I am writing relation is subset of Cartesian product. Means in relation also we need two individuals, two elements, two different fellows, two different persons, and there in A and B, try to understand, in A and B, ordered pair A and B, there was no relation in A and B. If in this Cartesian product there is no relation between A and B, but when we form the relation, that in that case we say relation is formed, means relation must be given some name. Like I am giving some idea. Suppose R is a relation A comma B such that B is equal to A plus 1 and A comma B belongs to N. See, here A and B just like ordered pair. It is just like ordered pair. AB in Cartesian product also I have written. Here AB in ordered pair also. Here in relation also. But here I have given some name of the relation. What is the name? Name is B is one more than A. B is second element. B is second element. Then B is one more than. So when we are going to form the relation, so we will take care that 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6 and so on. See, every second element is one more than first element. So what I have given? Here we have a relation between A and B. What is relation? Relation is means second element is one more than first element. So this is how we know the relation. Means relation is subset of Cartesian product and it is given some name. Let's see how it is subset of Cartesian product. I am giving some example. See, I am writing, let A is a set and let A is a set and B is another set. B is another set. Its element 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. Relation is given R. I am given B is equal to 2A. B is equal to 2A. This is relation. Means I am writing the relation like this. Relation is A comma B such that B is equal to 2A and A comma here A belongs to A and B belongs to B. This is the relation. So first I am going to write the relation. So relation is, see, second element second element is twice the first element. Second element is twice the first element. Suppose you are taking first element A is equal to 1. Then what is the second element? What is the second element? It's twice. So what is the ordered pair? 1 comma 2. If you take A is equal to 2, so what we have? 2, then it's twice. We have 4. If you take 3, then it is 3 2s are 6. If you take 4, then 4 2s are 8. And after that, nothing is there. So this is the relation according to this. And I am going to find A cross B. A cross B, Cartesian product of A and B. Cartesian product of A and B. To see, Cartesian product means first element from first set, second element from second set. So if you take first element 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 1 7, 1 8, 1 9. See, I am writing 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 1 7, 1 8, 1 9. Now we have 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 2 7, 2 8 and 2 9. We have 3 1, 3 2, 3 3 and so on. Now we have 4 1, 4 2, 4 3 and so on. Now we have 5 1, 4 1. The elements are this. Now check how many ordered pairs are. 4 elements are here, 9 elements are here. Product of the number of elements, 4 9s are 36 ordered pairs. 36 ordered pairs. So all these are Cartesian product. But in relation, we have only 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Now check. See, we have 1 2 here, we have 2 4 here, we have 3 6, suppose 3 6 here, and we have 4 8 here. See, so all these elements are from A cross B. So what I told? Relation is subset of Cartesian product. Relation is subset of Cartesian product. See, all the pairs of A and B are called Cartesian product. Relation, when some name here, no name was there, just we have made the pair 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Nothing means no relation, no name is given. How the terms are related to each other. So all pairs we have written. Suppose some gathering is outside the door on the road. Some people are standing. Is it necessary that all of them are relative to each other? No. Maybe some of them are relative. Maybe 2 brothers are there. Maybe uncle and nephews are there. Maybe father and son was there. Means so many people are standing outside, but all are not related to each other. In the same way, here so many ordered pairs are having, but only few of them are having relation, and the name of relation is given. The second number is twice the first number. Second number is twice the first number. So you should remember that what is ordered pair? Ordered pair is simply pairing the elements of two sets, where first element belongs to first set, second element belongs to second set. In Cartesian product, Cartesian product is set of all ordered pairs, all possible ordered pairs where first element belongs to first set and second element belongs to second set. Now relation is also the ordered pairs, but relation is given some name, means relation between individual elements will be given, and relation is subset of Cartesian product. Now in relation also we have some names, like I gave the name domain, range and codomain. What is domain? As I told, domain is collection of all first elements, like collection of all first elements, like we have 1 2 3 4. So this is 1 2 3 4 is domain. Range, collection of all second elements, means we have 2 4 6 8. This is range. And codomain, the second set itself, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is what domain, range and codomain. Got it? So you should memorize all these things. Now we are coming to next segment, function. It is very important point, function, because the name of the topic is relation and function. So relation I have explained. Now come to point, function. What is function? Function is also a special type of relation. Function is also a special type of relation in which relation is made from one set to another, but what is required? All the elements of first set must have unique image in second set, means its pair, second number, second element is called image. Suppose I am having a set A and another set we have B. It is having element 1 2 3 4 5. Got it? Here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and so on. And name of relation is I am giving B is equal to A plus 1. B is equal to A plus 1. It is relation. Means second element is one more than first element. What I told? Function is also a special type of relation in which each and every element of first set must have unique image in second set. Means elements of second set are called image and elements of first set are called pre-image. Pre-image and image. So what is the special thing? Means each and every element of first set must have unique image in second set. Unique image means we cannot have a pre-image having two images in second set. Means like 1 1 and we can write 1 2. Means 1 is image, 2 is image. So 1 cannot have two images. So means we have a speciality. What is special thing? Means we have a special property that each and every element of this set must have unique image in second set. So what is the sense to say each and every element? What is the sense to say? Means no element of first set is free from relation. Means no element of first set must be left behind or without relation. See what I have told. Second element is one more than first element. B is equal to A plus 1. What is the sense? Means if you take A is equal to 1, then one more than. So what we have? See, we have 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. Mapping means 1 is related to 2, 2 is related to 3, 3 is related to 4, 4 is related to 5, 5 is related to 6. So see, all the elements of first set are having relation in second set. In second set, if some elements are left, no problem. But in first set, there must not be any element left behind without relation. Means, see what I have taken. This is relation. This is relation. So, how to identify whether it is function or relation? Function or relation means we must have unique. This relation is a function. As I told, function is what? Function is also a relation, but it is of special type. It is of special type. So what is special? Special means no element of first set must be left behind. Means all the elements of first set must have image in second set. In second set, if elements are left, no matter. No matter. And means when we find the ordered pair, try to understand, when we find the ordered pair, no first element is repeated. Let's see, I am writing relation. This is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. See, so you see, every first element is different. If somewhere first element is repeated, means it is not a function, it is relation. But here we see that every first element is different and it has different image. It means it is a function. And if first element is somewhere repeated, it means it is a relation. Once again, domain, range and codomain. Domain is what? Collection of all first element is domain. Collection of all second elements are range, and the second set itself is called codomain. I am giving one more example. Suppose I am having a set. See, here we have -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here given relation is such that B square is equal to A. B square is equal to A, or B is equal to A square. B is equal to A square means second element is square of first element. Second element is square of first element. Try to understand. See, -1 square. Try to understand. -1 square is 1. 0 square is 0. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square may be here. 3 square is not given. 3 square is not given. So what I told, each and every element of first set must have image in second set. So can we have the image of 3 in this set? No, because we need a square of 3 here. So all ordered pairs, suppose I am writing the ordered pairs minus 1 comma 1, 0 comma 0, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 4. These are the ordered pairs. So is this ordered pair or is this relation a function or not? What I told? Here 3 is left. It has no image in second set. Means it is not a function. It is relation. If by chance you are having 9 here, so after this 3 and 9, 3 comma 9 means it is having pair, means 3 and 9 ordered pair, means it is clearly a function. Now check the ordered pair. Check the ordered pair. What we have? Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Every first element is different. So if every first element is different, it means it is a function, not a relation. So every first element is called, collection of every first element is called domain, collection of every second element is called range, and the second set itself is called codomain. So this is how we identify the relation and the function. We have different kinds of function to discuss, and we have to find the domain and range of the function. Now in my next lecture I shall discuss about the function and its types and how to find its domain. It is very important point. Now for today's lecture it is enough. Now after this we shall see the types of function and its domain and range. Till now, thank you very much.